The 10.26 dash-cam rearview camera Wi-Fi CarPlay and Android Auto 4K DVR GPS navigation video recorder dashboard from Aliexpress is leading the way. This versatile device combines cutting-edge features with seamless integration, enhancing your driving experience like never before. Compatible with a wide range of car models including VW, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Seat, Kia, Hyundai, Ford, Mazda, and more, this multimedia video player offers universal compatibility, ensuring that every driver can enjoy its benefits. Powered directly from the cigarette lighter, installation is a breeze with no need to change or disassemble the original car equipment. The mounting bracket rotates 360 degrees, providing flexibility and convenience during installation. Experience the convenience of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your phone with your car's audio system. Enjoy access to GPS navigation, Bluetooth calls, voice control, and more, all without the hassle of cables. Easily connect to the original car radio, maintaining the original sound quality. Use the O cable or FM to output audio to the original car radio, ensuring a seamless integration experience. Enhance safety with the optional rear view camera, featuring HD 1080p resolution and night vision capabilities. Gain peace of mind knowing you have clear visibility, even in low light conditions. The 10.26 dash-cam rearview camera Wi-Fi CarPlay and Android Auto 4K DVR GPS navigation video recorder dashboard offers a comprehensive solution for modern drivers, combining advanced features with ease of use. Upgrade your driving experience today and enjoy the benefits of seamless connectivity and enhanced safety features.